Hi everyone. It's such an honor to actually be on a stage and see you all in 4D and not on a screen in 2D and so forth. So I'm really honored. But I'm Lethabo. I'm the co-founder and CTO at Voyc, and we do contact center monitoring solution. So a bit about Voyc. So if you've called a call center before, you've probably heard the recording, "This call is recorded for quality and training purposes." But very few of us know that most organizations, in fact, not almost all of them, have a team of quality assurers that actually have to listen to those interactions to check that, yes, the agent said the right thing. They didn't sell you the wrong product, or they didn't give you the wrong information. But the reality is, even in the best organizations, they only manage to monitor just 2% of those interactions. And so that's where Voyc comes in. We help companies quality assure 100% of interactions, needing up to 80% less staff. And what this means is that each company that runs Voyc will spend more time or less time reviewing interactions, therefore meaning that they're going to spend more time training agents, making sure that there's good outcomes. And then they'll also spend less time dealing with unresolved complaints, because that's why people call centers. Usually a challenge, usually a solution you need. It's really frustrating if you hang up and they still haven't helped you. So with Voyc, we're hoping that they'll have more improved customer outcomes because they'll listen to those interactions. So we've been running for 3 years, and that's actually spend a minute talking about some of our experiences and what we've picked up in a new initiative that we're trying to launch as a brand. So I'm pretty sure when call recording started, it was probably putting people on edge. So when you first heard that recording say, "This call is recorded," people were probably like, "Whoa, that's weird. What are you going to do with my recording?" But over the past couple of months and years that we've been running the Voyc system, we started finding that trust between financial services specifically and consumers is so low that consumers actually want their calls to be recorded. More often, we're hearing them say, "I heard that this call is recorded, but I bet you're not going to do anything about it." Or they actually say, "Is this call recorded? Is someone actually going to listen to what I have to say?" Because the trust that the agent's actually going to help you is so low. And so we're looking to launch an initiative called Verified by Voyc, because companies that run our system have invested in improving their customer experience. They have said, "We want to make sure that we deliver quality products, and we want each consumer to say, I'm going to choose bank XYZ because they run Voyc, and I know that their interaction or my interaction is going to be treated with consistency and care." So in the next couple of months, manifesting, if you see this Verified by Voyc logo anywhere, trust that that contact center is going to treat your interaction with consistency and care. And ending off, or not ending off, and moving to the next chapter, what our mission is as a company is to bridge trust between companies and customers with our software. You see at the bottom that we're based out of The Hague and out of Cape Town. When we launched Voyc, we were a South African company. We're born out of South Africa, but we discovered that this problem that we're solving is largely international. And so we went on a journey to find out what area, and I think Hans mentioned it very well, what area within the European Union or within the EU is suitable for us to set up our company, where strategically we'll get more customers. We can access the UK, we can access the US, possibly rest of EMEA if we really wanted to. And the Netherlands was one of the best places for our companies to set up. So in the midst of Corona, we flipped our entire company from Cape Town to the Netherlands. In the middle of a crisis, it was one of the smoothest experiences that we've ever had as a company. So Voyc is now headquartered in the Netherlands. We've just visited our team in Cape Town, South Africa, and we're running seamlessly and smoothly as a multinational corporation. And there are really quite a couple of agencies that we wanted to thank for making this such an amazing experience. We dealt with the Hague Business Agency. We dealt with Steph as well, who made sure that our tax, our accountants were sought after, our tax things were sorted out. Our location, in fact, where we lived was going to be sorted out. So the biggest challenge that we faced as a company was trying to figure out how are we actually going to make the move. But actually moving was such a seamless experience. So I would encourage other organizations that are trying to move into the Netherlands to just take the leap, because setting up was actually one of the easiest things. Running the business was a lot harder. Yeah, cool.